kok berkok engka sini ya amani kok borok tabuk joto school college roko sereng jagui tongo o kok borok kok no sereng thani o roman script khalainya bagui jirania subdivision amchani joto serengnai rok khumurungo 12 tarik ni salo DSF ni tidur mabai laharo nokot laikya
Satan yang original kado money himbatok jengir jamai. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's a big issue that is burning in the entire state of Tripura. A few weeks past, we got information that the corporate subject will be taught in all the CBG schools from standard 1 to 8, but the central government and we know Dr. Atul Devarma, who is the chairman of the Language Commission, has decided to take
botol berai jat andar malah